Michael Perry, and today I'll be showing you how to make the perfect burger recipe. First, we have our ground chuck. I'm just gonna sprinkle some salt around our pan. The salt is just for seasoning because this has not been pre-seasoned. A little bit of black pepper, some onion powder, and last, a little bit of olive oil. Now you just want to take your burger, you want to lightly pick it up because your meat is very gentle. You just want to season it. And that seasoning, so it comes as a beautiful burger patty. Well, you put it on your grill. Pick up some of that seasoning on top. Now that's one beautiful piece of burger chuck. Now you just want to head over to our grill. Open that up. Now you're going to want to find the hottest spot, which is usually about 2/3 up. Now, gently pick up our ground chuck. Gonna put it on the grill. Lid down. Now you want to take our onion. We don't want this side onion. We want to get a bigger size. This onion. Nobody likes raw onion on their burger. It's just too strong. It takes over the beautiful patty taste. So you're gonna take your raw onion, put it right on the burger, lid down, right away. We have our lettuce, mayonnaise, and some fresh cheddar cheese. Now this is the good stuff. Check out our burgers. That grill is piping hot. Just want to put some of that seasoning in your hand. Last time before those burgers come out. They're not coming out yet because they're very rare right now. Burger's not cooked. Now you season the burger after it's cooked. Ooh, look at that bun. I'm a firm believer of toasting both sides of my bun and a little bit burnt because that's how I like it. So we gotta get our bun out because the top you don't really both sides you don't want it to be too much. Remember, this grill is piping hot. Now that's one beautiful bun we have right there. Lid down. Oh, but don't forget your onions are gonna be cooking as well. Those onions are delicious. Now, this grill right here might not be too busy. It's only one burger we're cooking today, but a busy grill is the delicious grill. So now we're just gonna take our knife, spread on some mayonnaise on the bottom, because every burger goes good with mayonnaise. You don't have mayonnaise on your burger, you should be prepared for a bad burger. It's about how much mayonnaise, top and bottom bun for the mayonnaise. Now, when this patty comes out, you want that to be delicious, ready. So, you don't want your patty to come out and to be cold, so that's why you gotta prepare everything first for how to build the patty. Fresh onion, tomato, not onion, onion's cooking. This should be delicious. Not too much tomato because we don't want to take over the entire burger. Just a piece of tomato. Burger looks piping hot, delicious, amazing. Ready to flip. Boom. Look at that baby. Delicious. Down. So now we can start to assemble the burger with some beautiful lettuce, some tomatoes, Now, the reason why we don't use pickles have a lot of flavor, and we want to taste the beautiful meat. This, and maybe later on, another video, we will have with pickles and stuff, how to make like a cowboy burger or something like that. You really caramelize those onions and stuff, but this is really just a basic burger. Now we must check on our onions. These onions are piping hot on this grill. Piping hot. Lid down. Now it's time for our cheese. We open up our burger. Get fresh cheddar cheese going on top of our burger today. This is fresh right here. Fresh cut. That should be done in at least 5 seconds, and we'll be done with that. That should be done. Our bun and stuff looks good. Everything looks delicious. And guess what? I believe our burger's ready. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful burger right here. It's like a Hawaiian cheese melt stuff, whatever. I just made that up. Beautiful onions, cooked well. Delicious. Not raw, because we don't like raw onions. Finish that off with a little more mayonnaise.